Thank you for visiting here to know about the finest products that are offered now. Here, the team has carefully chosen the best among many products after getting reviews from thousands of purchasers of these products, and it's also based on how they are performing. Get more information about every product listed here by following the products links below.
EasyVid presents the 10 best USB humidifiers. Let's get started with the list. If you want to add a plant to your office but don't have a green thumb, pick up the Onuemp Cactus, which looks like a cute potted succulent. It can hold 280 milliliters of water and runs for about 6 hours of continuous use before needing to be refilled. It's a fun, colorful design that offers a simple one-button operation. It includes a charging cable.